Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show how to fix connection drops in games like DBD, REPO, Phasmophobia, and others. First, open Steam and select the game you want to fix. Let's say I choose REPO. Right-click it, go to Properties, Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that doesn't work, open Command Prompt and enter these commands. Here we go. Type ipconfig/flushdns, hit enter, then type ipconfig/renew. That's what the command looks like. Press enter, then netch windsock reset. Hit enter again. Oops. There. If it still doesn't work, let's check network adapter settings. Click Internet, change adapter settings, select your connection, then Properties. Go to IPv4 Properties and choose your DNS. Here we'll use 8.8.8.8. That's 8.8.8.8 for primary and 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Click OK. Now try using the game again. This has been Weller. See you next time.